The Naga People's Front NPF on Thursday reaffirmed its support to Chief Minister and Biren Singh-led BJP government in Manipur, refuting claims of withdrawal. Awangboy Nyumai, Water Resources Minister and NPF Manipur State President, said social media posts about NPF withdrawing support from the Biren Singh-led government are false. There is no truth to it. We remain staunch allies to the BJP, grateful for their support during elections and committed to continuing our partnership, Nyumai emphasized. He warned legal repercussions await those responsible for spreading this misinformation. Expressing appreciation for the BJP's consistent backing of their candidate, Timothy Jemik, in the Lok Sabha elections, Nyumai stated, "We are actively investigating the origins of these deceitful rumors. Perpetrators will face legal action as per the law." The NPF has 5 seats in the 60-member Manipur Legislative Assembly, while the BJP commands 32.